swim a lap around the pool. Who wants to go first?
Beth, look. Beth.
Yep. On your back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off. They only 6 feet. Any questions? You come behind the dolphins up here. You gotta get a picture of Give him a little tap tap. There you go. Give him a kiss.
I can't do anymore. I got to save my customer.
Who's harder to train, the cat or the dolphins?
People.
You guys.
There is no other way. We're going to be traveling counterclockwise. That's from that dolphin over here. All that on that other side is the dolphin on the area. Look at the cat. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at the cat. Okay. We're going to do... We don't have any pictures yet.
Look at him. Okay.
You're so awesome, Thunder.
Get on to.
Whoever.
I think Arthur wants a kiss.
Is it kiss time? Okay. Yes, you want one? Oh, God. Oh,